Hey there, fellow digital nomads. Are you ready for an adventure-packed video? Today, we're diving into the world of travel insurance and answering that burning question: is SafetyWing worth the investment? As travelers ourselves, we understand the importance of staying protected on our journeys. So, let's buckle up and find out if SafetyWing is the right wingman for your travel insurance needs. Well, you're exploring a breathtaking destination, immersing yourself in new cultures, and meeting incredible people. But wait, what if an unexpected medical emergency ruins your experience? That's where SafetyWing comes in. Designed specifically for long-term travelers and digital nomads like us, SafetyWing offers comprehensive coverage that keeps you worry-free throughout your journey. Now, let's dive deeper into three key factors: coverage, affordability, and customer experience. Travel insurance is like a safety net for your adventures. Whether you're exploring vibrant cities, hiking through breathtaking landscapes, or simply working remotely from a cozy cafe, travel insurance ensures you're covered in case of unforeseen circumstances. It provides protection for your health, belongings, and even travel disruptions. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right travel insurance plan. That's where SafetyWing comes into play. SafetyWing is a popular choice among digital nomads, offering comprehensive coverage tailored to our unique needs. But is it really worth the investment? Let's find out. Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a quick look at what SafetyWing has to offer. SafetyWing provides medical insurance, emergency medical evacuation, travel delay coverage, and even coverage for COVID-19 related expenses. They also have an impressive global network of trusted healthcare providers, ensuring that you receive quality care no matter where you are in the world. Now that we know the basics, let's address the burning question: is SafetyWing worth it? To help us answer this, we'll be evaluating three key factors: coverage, affordability, and customer experience. Let's start with coverage. Actually, SafetyWing offers a range of coverage options, including medical expenses, emergency dental treatment, hospitalization, and even coverage for personal liability. They understand the unique challenges we face as digital nomads and have designed their plans accordingly. But are there any limitations? Let's take a closer look. One of the standout features of SafetyWing is their remote health coverage. They understand that traditional insurance plans may not cover remote work-related injuries or illnesses. With SafetyWing, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're protected even while working from the comfort of your favorite co-working space or Airbnb. However, it's important to note that like any insurance plan, SafetyWing does have certain limitations and exclusions. Make sure to thoroughly review their policy and understand the fine print before making your decision. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, affordability. As digital nomads, we're always on the lookout for cost-effective solutions that don't compromise on quality. So, how does SafetyWing fare in terms of affordability? SafetyWing offers flexible monthly plans starting at just $37, which is significantly cheaper compared to many other travel insurance providers. This makes it an attractive option for those who want comprehensive coverage without breaking the bank. But is it too good to be true? Let's investigate further. While SafetyWing's pricing is competitive, it's important to consider your personal needs and travel habits. If you're a frequent traveler or engage in high-risk activities, you might need additional coverage that could increase the overall cost. So, make sure to assess your individual requirements before making a decision. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about customer experience. When it comes to travel insurance, you want a provider that is reliable, responsive, and genuinely cares about its customers. So, how does SafetyWing measure up in this department? SafetyWing has built a strong reputation for its excellent customer support. They have a dedicated team that's available 24/7 to assist you with any queries or concerns. Their user-friendly website and straightforward claims process also make it easy to navigate through the insurance journey. However, as with any company, there may be instances where customers have had less than satisfactory experiences. We recommend exploring user reviews and testimonials to get a comprehensive understanding of SafetyWing's customer service track record. So, after evaluating coverage, affordability, and customer experience, what's the final verdict? Is SafetyWing Travel Insurance worth the investment? Well, the answer ultimately depends on your individual needs and circumstances. SafetyWing offers comprehensive coverage at an affordable price, making it a popular choice among digital nomads. But it's essential to carefully consider your unique requirements and compare it with other insurance providers before making a decision. And that's a wrap on today's video, fellow digital nomads. We hope this guide has shed some light on whether SafetyWing Travel Insurance is worth the investment. Remember, insurance is all about protecting yourself and your adventures. So, choose wisely and travel with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content tailored just for digital nomads like you. Until next time, safe travels.